I've ever known. Don't know where a criminal mind fuck America.